So you just started streaming and you want to grow your community and grow your viewer count. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 streaming tips for beginners. Let's get right into it. Pay attention to your chat. They are there for you and you are there for them. Interact with them, talk with them. Have a normal conversation that you would with a friend. Fill the silence. Ask them about their day. These interactions with your viewers will keep them engaged to the stream. No one wants to watch a streamer, let's say, that plays video games but doesn't pay attention to the chat room. These viewers are there to have a conversation and talk to you. You have to start the conversations to keep them engaged to your stream. Be yourself. Show your personality on stream. Viewers are engaged to people that show their personality and be themselves. Oftentimes, people find it more funny when you're just comfortable on stream. Even if it might be embarrassing, these embarrassing moments will keep them engaged. When beginning streaming, don't worry about the viewer count. When you're streaming and you see that you might only have 0 to 2 viewers, this can affect your motivation to stream. This is why people have this option off, or they just don't look at their viewer count. Trust me, I've had to live with 0 viewers for a short period of time, but it just takes time and hard work for viewers to start coming in and to start watching your stream. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. There is still hard work involved and you need to be committed to it. Hard work pays off. In the beginning, don't worry about having the highest quality gear. You don't want to spend all your money on all this crazy gear like cameras, lights, and all these things just to be let down because you might not make the money back. Yes, later on having higher quality gear is better, but for right now, don't worry about it. Just worry about focusing on your streaming. Make content. Discoverability on Twitch is very low. This is why I and other streamers are making content on YouTube. Discoverability on YouTube is very high, and YouTube itself is basically a search engine. If you want to get exposure, YouTube is a great place to start. It doesn't even have to be YouTube. It could be Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok as well. Creating communities on other social platforms and bringing them over to your stream is one of the best ways for you to grow. Since Twitch doesn't really have any discoverability right now, you want to be uploading content on these other platforms. Take for example Sam Woodhull. Sam Woodhull started streaming in 2019, and by the end of the year, he grew up to 100 viewers. He wasn't just streaming on Twitch, he was making content elsewhere. Make content, it works. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow all my socials. Links will be down in the description. Also, make sure to follow my Twitch where I stream every Wednesdays at 2:30. Make sure to join my Discord as well. Link will be in the description. There we can chat, and if you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, I just got rushed at the same time. Oh! Oh! Come on, come on, come on! Yes!